Hello guys, welcome to Ultimate Forex. Today 27th September 2020, and today we will discuss on Bitcoin and gold. So let's see the chart. So this one is weekly chart of Bitcoin. So first we see this is weekly frame, and as we see this rally started from 2015 to the 2017. So this rally we consider as a phi impulse wave, and then this correction of the phi whole impulse wave as this A, B, and C. So we consider as here around 3708. This correction is completed on 9th March 2020. So new impulse wave started from here. Let's see in daily frame. Yes, this point, this one. So we can see here on 4 hour frame. Yes, from here. Yeah. Hmm. You can see. Yeah, I have labeled this as a impulsive one, two, three. Then this one is inverted ABC correction. This one is four, and here 5. So around 12,500 our 5 impulse wave is completed, and we are in a ABC correction. So let's compute the Fibonacci ratio of this 5 impulse wave. See this one from 0 to 1. This third wave is 261 percentage of first wave, and the second wave is around 61.8 correction, 61.8. So we called it as a deep correction, and our fourth wave correction is nearly 23.6 percentage. So this one is shallow correction. Now fifth wave is 0 to 3 and nearly 61.8 percentage. So we consider it as a 5 wave completed here, and now we are facing ABC correction. So let's see first this area. This is A, B, and C, and this A wave is completed here. So this is 3, 3, and 5. So this is a flat type of correction, and B wave is under progress. So B wave generally in triangle correction. So we forecast it as a triangle correction. So we can see this is A, B, and C. This is called A. A, B, and C. This is called B. Now A, B, and C. So this is 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. And this triangle range maximum 1100 480 to this trend line. So If the price close above the 11,500, then this analysis is invalid, and we will consider it as a 5 impulse wave A B C correction, and this is started as a new impulse wave. So important thing is price shall be close below the this blue area, 11,480 to 11,120. And after this completion of this B wave, we will see the C wave as a 5 impulse wave, like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So how long will be the this C wave? So we can compute by Fibonacci of this whole from 0 to 5 correction. Let's see where it will be. Yeah, it will be between the 50 to 61.8 percentage. So it is nearly around 7,100 to 8,100. So first consider this one, and another is this is A wave. So C wave is generally 123.6 percentage of A wave. So let's see the where it did complete. If B wave we consider complete 11,120, then our C wave is around 8,000. And if B wave completed around the 11,500, then C wave nearly 8,290. So this is depends where the our B wave is complete. So if we see price in this zone, then this is the good opportunity to buy with the SL of this low. So this one is set up for the Bitcoin for coming 3 to 6 months. And alternate scenario we have discussed as if the price close above 11,500, then we will consider it as a new impulse wave, and price will be go beyond the 13,200 or 14,000. So this is the setup for Bitcoin. Now let's discuss for the gold. As we have earlier discussed, this is a we are in a correction phase of ABC. So like this. First we discuss on this A and B. As we discuss, this is A, and we are in a triangle correction as A, B, C, D, and E. E wave is complete around 1973. So this is our A wave complete, B wave complete. Now we are in a C wave in a 5 waves. So let's see the C waves. This one is 1, 2, and inside of this third wave we can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth. So we consider our third wave completed at 1848. Now we are in a fourth wave. So let's see, this is 1 hour time frame, 3, 4, 5, and we are in a fourth wave. So fourth wave generally triangle correction. So this one is A, B, C, D, and E. If price stay below the 1877, then we may see a fifth wave correction up to the 1840, 15, or 1793. So let's we discuss this wave. If our fourth wave is complete around 1868, then from 0 to 3, from our fifth wave, our C wave started from here, 0 to 3 and 4, from, started from the 4, 18, 20, 20 or 1792. Here we may complete this whole correction. This this is the demand zone, 1792 to 1822. Now, alternate scenario is if the price stay above the 1891 and yeah, our fifth fourth wave is under progress. So where this fourth wave can go maximum levels, at which levels? So let's the Fibonacci ratio of this third wave. It can go up to the 1891. If this is not, if this is not the 23.6 percentage, then it can go up to the 1891, and from there it may come up to the 61.8 percentage of this whole 0 to 3. So this is the resistance zone from 1874, from 1868 to 1891. So hope you guys understand the video. Thank you.